my God, this is good.
All right, YouTube. I want to make some good food. We're gonna make pork roll sandwich. Got our egg rings. We got some eggs. We got some lightly buttered bagels. A pork roll. We got some pepper. We got some water because I'm gonna steam the top of these eggs this time. We got some Pam. I think I already said pepper because that's what we got. We got some pepper and some cheese. All right, that's what we're working with. See how this is gonna work out. So, I always start off with my egg rings on the hot side. This will be my hot side, that's going to be my cold side. Get these warmed up, get these ready to go. Yummy. Look at that. I got 3 different styles of egg rings here. Alright, once those get warm, we're going to drop our eggs in there. Here's our pork roll. If you ever had pork roll, you need to go get you some. This is some good stuff. When you cook your pork roll, it's going to bubble up if you don't slice a little slice on one side of it. And that's okay. Your pork roll is going to come normally not sliced. So get yourself a slicer and do it right. I guess you could go find, like at Wegmans or something, the sliced version, but I just don't use that. All that goodness. Move this pork roll over just a little bit. Folks, breakfast has never been more simpler. Look at these sandwiches. You can't go to McDonald's and buy this. It just is not possible. It is not possible. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, look at that one. That one, the bread wants to get away from me. So that one we'll look at upside down. How about that? Maybe this one too. Just look at that. Just look at them sandwiches. Oh my goodness. I should rename this channel to a Fat Boy Stream. Oh my God. Would you look at this? Alright, YouTube. Now that my friends, that's a breakfast sandwich. That's a pork roll sandwich. You Yankees know exactly what I'm talking about. I'll see y'all next time.